Hi, and thanks for joining us for another episode of the Money TV program. I'm Donald Baillargeon. So glad you could be with us. Money TV, of course, is the program all about money and what makes it happen. So what is really going to happen with the Health Care Reform Act that just won't die? So many opinions, so many lies on both sides of the fence, enormous pressure being put on a few straggling Democrat House members as Nancy Pelosi is struggling to get the 216 votes she needs for the bill's passage. Now, Dennis Kucinich, all of a sudden seeing the light and changing his vote from no to yes, which I found very interesting, as he received no concessions, no changes to the elements of the bill which he didn't like. He just simply and suddenly changed his mind. Well, this is all like, well, it's like watching American Idol in reverse. Instead of eliminating people every episode, the Democrats are trying to add people, adding votes where they didn't exist a week ago. Talk show host Rush Limbaugh has created a firestorm of emails and phone calls on Capitol Hill as citizens against the bill's passage are burning the phone lines and email boxes of their congressional representatives. Tea partiers are massing in Washington protesting the bill's possible passage. President Obama said his health care overhaul will lower premiums by double digits. But according to industry experts, premiums are likely to keep going up even if the health care passes. Well, who do you believe? For example, during a speech in Cleveland this week, the president told the crowd that their employers would see premiums fall by as much as 3,000%. 3,000%. He even went so far as to say those savings would lead employers to begin giving pay raises. Wow, what a plan! But a White House press spokesperson later said the president had misspoken. He had meant to say annual premiums would drop by $3,000. So let's take the $3,000, divide it by how many employees there are, and there's your big raise. Further, an analysis by the Congressional Budget Office found that large employers would see premium savings of at most 3% compared to what their costs would have been without the legislation. So that would be more like a few $100s instead of several thousand. Remember now, we're talking about a bill with a price tag of nearly $1 trillion. If this bill passes, we aren't going to need a tea party to protest it. We're going to need a keg party to help dull the pain it's going to create. Now, keep this in mind, our toll-free number, that's free. Toll-free number from anywhere in the world you're watching the program, 888-259-4449, to get free information about the guests we'll be talking to during the program. When you do call, be sure and ask to be added to the subscription list of our Money TV newsletter. It is also free. You can visit us at MoneyTV.net. You can call us at 888-259-4449. And please, why don't you follow us on Facebook and Twitter.